Hey guys, it's the original Maxwell, and today we are here at Wingman's Birdz and Brewz.
Hey guys, this is Esme. I'm single.
She's single for a reason. Seriously, there's a reason she's single. We won't go into details.
Anyway, look me up on Facebook. Esme Pedrosa, and I'll give you my info if you send me a message.
Yeah, no stalkers, please.
Yeah. Okay, so
I'm gonna put that up.
okay, so what do we have here?
Bird's nest with cheese and bacon.
Okay, so this one.
It's called the bird's nest with cheese and bacon and a sauce, some special sauce.
What is this? Is it good?
Tomatoes and onions, but we got it.
That's good.
We got it with no
Wait,
tomatoes
where's
and
the
onions.
ranch?
There's spicy ranch.
Yes.
Grab it. I can't put it down. This is a Chipotle ranch.
That's good. I think I'm gonna pour a little on here.
What are you guys doing? So she thought
I'll be living on a prayer on Sunday.
it was a Christian band.
Somebody told me. Who was it? You did? Did you tell me?
She's like, is that a Christian band? It says something about a prayer. I was like, what the heck? How did Lisa turn him into a religious guy?
Okay. So, I give this a 10 out of 10. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Bye.
Yes. Anything else to you want to say?
I love tacos and prom is coming up, so. Did you do
She loves tacos. Bye.